Hello all, my name is Chef Ritesh Negi and I am the corporate chef for Redizen MBD Group. So the dish which we're going to make today is a very healthy and hearty dish. The dish I have named is soyabean and green peas porridge. Soyabean and green peas porridge, this particular dish of mine can also be called khichdi in India, and this dish basically inspired from a very old traditional dish which is known as khichda or halim. So let's understand what all ingredients are required to make this particular dish. Let's have a look. So we'll be using some fresh cumin, zira, turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt. The base ingredients are right here. So we are using 3 different type of lentils. There's the lal masoor, that's urad chilka, and that's tuhar ki dal. We are not using any rice in this recipe. Instead of rice, we are using dalia, which is also called broken wheat, and some oats. Little bit of ginger garlic paste, some whole spices, big cardamom, small cardamom green, and some cinnamon stick. The kind of fat I'm going to use in my recipe is desi ghee, which is also called as clarified butter. We have some fresh green chilies, fresh coriander, fresh mint, some green peas, lemon wedges. These are the cashew nuts. I have deep fried them in desi ghee. So the main ingredient behind this entire recipe is the soybean chunks. So what I have done with soybean chunks, I have boiled them, drained the excess water, and I have treated my soybean chunks in 2 parts. One, I have blended it. I have made a paste out of it by using mixer grinder. And secondly, what I have done with my soybean chunks, I have shredded them roughly with my hands. Alright, so the next step is we have washed and soaked this dal for like a good 30 minutes. I have added a little bit of turmeric to it. Now with the help of this clarified butter, I'm gonna crackle some my whole spices to it. So I'm using this cinnamon stick, big cardamom dried, couple of green cardamom as well. Now I'm gonna add my soaked lentils to it. Some more turmeric, salt. Now my broken wheat and my oats, I'm adding up. I'm using this fresh green chili. Some water, let's cover it. We're gonna pressure cook this dal, oats and dalia, broken wheat for good 15-20 minutes for this particular recipe. After 1 whistle, we're gonna slow down the heat and we're gonna cook on a medium heat for like good 15-20 minutes. So here we go. That's the first whistle. Now what I'm doing is I'm gonna put heat on a medium side, and I'm gonna cook this lentils for another 15-20 minutes. Alright, so dal is out of the pressure cooker. It has been cooked very well. Even what I've done, with the help of the whisk, I have murdered it properly. Now the next step, we're gonna use some clarified butter, ghee, and we're gonna again crackle some of our whole spices. Big cardamom, small cardamom. We're gonna add some ginger garlic paste to it. Add some water. Now again I'm going to add some turmeric to it, some red chili powder, let the turmeric and red chili powder get cooked for some time. Now the final mixing of ingredients. Our soybean paste, my cooked lentils, oats and broken wheat, give a nice stir. Add this shredded soya also to it. Alright, so it's been almost 15 to 20 minutes that my stew is on a simmer. It's boiling on a very low temperature. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my fresh green peas as well. And let it simmer for another good 30-35 minutes. So just checking on the consistency, we have just reached in the middle of the final product. Alright, so we have got a right consistency now. See, now we're gonna keep this side and we're gonna get ready for the final plating. For the final plating, what I need to do, I need to temper this cumin. So alright, we have for some clarified butter, we have already tempered our cumin. Now the next step is to dish out this beautiful porridge, stew, whatever you want to call it. Just check out the consistency. This is the absolutely comfort food, and I'll say rather it's a meal, full meal within itself. I'm gonna add this tempered cumin to this beautiful porridge. Nice amount of crispy onion, cashews, and here we go. Our soya bean and fresh green peas porridge is ready to eat.